All right, video one. We've got a massive trip coming up, and we've got a couple of BMWs, three of them, and watch it and you'll see what's going on. We've got quite a few videos, but here's day one, basically day two, and finishing the video up at Weethalle. So sit back, watch it, fair bit of camp stuff, but enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Lunch one. How you feel? Hungry? How you feel, Rob? Yep. I feel like a beer. So yeah, it's day one of our first big day of the big trips, and so we've headed out west, had lunch out there at Forbes, as you saw. Went out and checked out the silo art, which we love, and then we headed out towards Rankin Springs, where we refueled the bikes and continued on our way. So we headed up towards the Nombini Nature Reserve and found probably the only good campsite on the section of road there. So we camped, a couple of metres off the road. You'll see a little bit of GoPro footage. Sorry, not GoPro. What do you call it? A drone. But the drone's playing up. So we had a bit of an unsuccessful trip with the drone footage. So just bear with it. This video's a fair bit about the campsite. So we're just getting into there is some riding in the video, but it's not straight away. Not straight away. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.
And then suddenly went poof. I was like, shit. So I spent a half an hour to fix it several times. And this morning I managed to zip it to about here. And then I got really, really cold. Then I put my
special cheese. That's where that's his place. So after we've had a fantastic evening and sunset, had a wonderful campfire at night, we've heading out the next day, and we get flat battery in Rob's bike. Yeah, bit of a bugger that. So, anyway, we've got it sorted thanks to Gunnar.
The wrong thing should fuck up both, because you've got a clean bus in there, okay? They're not compatible. Clean bus regulates the whole bike. No more fuses. It's no fuses. Okay? So if I'd rather do it that way, because I've got the batteries parallel now. That should charge it. It should charge with about 6-7 amps. 20 minutes. Right. We did it!
Wow.
Don't look at that maximum speed.
Yeah, well, it absolutely was one of the toughest sections we've ridden for quite a while. This heading up north from Louth to the Weethalle turnoff. Man, there was some deep sand and bull dust. It was actually pretty hard riding, actually. Yeah, but it was a good day. It was a good day.